I honestly, like, let's not fucking beat around the bush here. This thing's off its fucking head. Look at it glistening. Are you kidding? What's doing? Take us to the candy shop. What?
Hey guys, in this video we'll be making a full track like Fisher. We'll be making the break, first and second drop from scratch. So let's get started. These style of tech house tracks like Fisher are built around soulful vocals like this. So let's Foderas on splice. That one's too familiar. So let's go with this one. We'll be using the full vocal for the breakdown and build up. So first let's make the vocal a bit more. So now let's cut it up for the drop, sounding like this. So all the drums, bass and leads presets are coming from the pack Dirty Tech Frame 2. It includes all you need to make music like Fisher. It's linked in the description, so if you want to make this style of music, make sure to check it out. Now we're gonna make the bass line. We'll be using this bass preset from the pack. So now we're gonna write a bass melody with it. Sounding like this. We'll be using the drums from the pack. Now let's make a drum loop with it. For more groove, we're adding this closed hi-hat. Just placed right before the open hi-hat. Quantize it and add it to the drum loop. Now we're adding some processing to the drum bass. Besides that, we're adding some drum and synth fills. The breakdown of these songs are quite simple actually. Most of the time they are just filtered parts for the drop. So we're gonna start off with a vocal. Then we're gonna copy over the drum and bass line. For the first part of the break, we're only using the kick and the clap. Common thing to add more energy is to add the hi-hats back in right before the drop. We'll be filtering out all the lows in the breakdown with EQ, sounding like this. We're automating it to only be enabled during the breakdown. Besides that, a washout effect is common for these breakdowns. We'll be automating in the smell. It will give this kind of effect. We're adding this increasing automation to add more energy to the build-up. Altogether, the breakdown will sound like this. First, let's copy over the first drop. We'll be using this lead from the pack. Now let's write a melody with it. sounding like this. So now let's add some processing. We're gonna add a macro to the LFO and lead tune to automate the lead sound, giving this kind of effect. So with the automation, it will sound like this. Now we'll be adding the second lead. Sounding like this. We'll be using a steady note for this lead. Besides that, we're gonna automate the pitch. Sounding like this. Now let's add some processing. So that's it. Altogether, the track will sound like this.